humanity. What does it say about us? That through millennia, one thing has persisted in our ambitions. And now, we do what no generation before us could dream of. Drones. They are ubiquitous, found in every discipline, used in every field. The future of aviation. To empower every UAV with the highest security measures, we created SkyNet, an integrated drone operation and management platform. It is a cloud-based solution with inbuilt UTM services designed for the next generation of drone operations. Avianco SkyNet platform addresses the concerns of regulatory and security agencies. It is easily scalable while being completely customizable to the client's requirement. With all these features and more, it is the premier drone operations and management platform for UAVs in uncontrolled airspace. Fly with Avianco. Fly with confidence.